This lawnmower has been sitting out here since this past fall. Hadn't used it much. So the gas tank was a little bit empty. I mean, mostly empty. It had just a tiny bit of fuel sitting in the bottom. Looked like fuel. But what I've done, I've got some gas in that container. I've taken lacquer thinner. I've put lacquer thinner in the tank, and I primed it by pressing the little prime button here, and I can tell it's pushing the lacquer thinner through it. And I'm going to give it a few pulls, and I'm going to see, will this thing, pull it through, and then I'm going to, pull the lacquer thinner through, maybe to help clean up, any kind of residue left over from the fuel that's been sitting in it. And then I'm going to put gasoline in there and see if I can get this thing started. Woo! That was something. Try that again. Put my foot down. Put my foot down. Ha. Okay. Ooh. I tried to do something. Come on. Blow it through. Come on, you can do it. Prime it again. Push some of it in there. I wonder, does lacquer thinner burn like gasoline? I don't know. It did something. So it likes to start and then it likes to stop. Come on, you can do it. Woo. Good news is it actually started and ran for a little bit on lacquer thinner with a pinch of fuel in the bottom. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add gas to that, and I'm going to work with it and see if I can get it going. That's a lot of gas, or well, it's not too much. It's down on the bottom down there. I'm going to add gas to that and see what I can do. Stay running, please. You can do it. Yeah. It runs on what I prime it with, but it doesn't want to suck it from the gas tank on its own. Maybe that lacquer thinner will help clean that out. Looks like the lacquer thinner did its job. It says it cleans sprayers and tools, improves flow and leveling, helps to resist blushing, whatever that means. Yep. Sometimes it works. It's a nice little trick I learned. All right, I'm gonna add some more gas to it, and then I'm gonna take this down the road and see if I can mow that lot over there between those two buildings. Talk to you. Maybe I'll do a little video down there. See ya.